Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, baby. It's been a little minute, but I am back. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing my SunJaysCare box that I got from a really good friend of mine. Her name is Indy, and she's created this affordable organic skincare brand that I'm absolutely obsessed with. Oh, this is her. This is her. The box is so cute. My cat was chewing on the side, so chill. This is her. She's so freaking cute, and let's get into it. All right, so first we're gonna start off with my absolute #1 favorite product. Oh my gosh. Guys, this organic rose water mist, I don't think you understand. She be making fun of me because I hit her up every month like, hey, I need some more rose water. And like, you would definitely think I'd be drinking this because, bro, I wake up, if I'm in a bad mood, if I just don't feel good, like literally any excuse I have, I'm you feel me? Like, it's literally like a cool, refreshing kiss on the face. Like, I don't even know how to describe this product. It's absolutely amazing, and the ingredients and the description is on the back. Again, everything is organic, everything is natural and good for you, baby, and we just absolutely love this product. So just to read off the description, it says rosewater acts as a natural conditioner. It's also a natural cleanser, moisturizer, and toner for your skin, and controls excess oils and prevents irritation. It helps with acne healing, scars and wounds, and rejuvenating skin. It can also work to soothe the eyes and reduce puffiness. So the thing that I've always respected and really applauded my friend Indy for is she is super intentional with every ingredient that she uses in her products. And I just think that that's absolutely incredible because not only is it really rare to find an actual all organic skincare brand, but to also find one that's beneficial, that works, and that has results that show it works. Like, if you literally look at my friend's skin, period, like just look at her skin and it is flawless, stunning. I'm gonna try to drop a picture in here of her because y'all see it. Like, there's no denying that this stuff is absolutely heaven sent. And she also sends this cute little care card in the box, so it tells you how to use it and what the uses are for. And basically she said it works as a great makeup remover and after shave treatment, so ladies, tap in. And then also just again what I read to you guys on the description. So this is the rose water. I can't speak enough about her. On to the next product. Because baby, this right here, go buy 5 right now, bro. So this is her organic full body moisturizer. Stop. I lather this thing on every single day, and you can use it for full body, but I always just use it for my face because it is so freaking amazing. Normally I have really dry skin, so this is absolutely perfect. It nourishes my skin and it soaks in really, really well. So give it like 5-10 minutes. I don't feel oily, and it always leaves me with a super beautiful natural glow. Just like in case y'all thought I'd be capping. This was bro, I was down to the bottom and I called her and I'm like, girl, I need these products now, baby. And she had it ready the next day. So that's why I love her and I appreciate her. But yeah, like y'all see it, like real life, I be feeling for it. So full body moisturizer is the truth. Let's read a little what the description says. So it says a little goes a long way, and she did not oh don't look at my nails. So it even says on here, a little goes a long way, and she did not cap. Literally, I think this small jar lasted me probably like 4 months. So that's another amazing thing too. It's a product that goes a long way. I feel like I get stuff at the store and I'm going back every single month. these last a long time. So I just think that that's amazing. The description on this says that it helps with skin dryness, eczema, dark marks, and acne. It can help to ease body pains, including menstrual pains, cramps, and then it also can prevent stretch marks and help ease diaper rashes as well, leaving your skin looking younger, healthier, and more moisturized. Like, what more do you need? I absolutely love this product. So if you guys take anything away today, like, these two need to be in your cart immediately. I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, literally beautiful. So let's continue on because there's a lot more goodies. Okay, also just thought I'd also point this out too. I did ask her to make me a travel size of literally these two because your girl is traveling very soon, so stay tuned. I'm still trying to keep it like a little surprise, but I'm so freaking excited and I've been preparing for it for months now, so I cannot wait to share it with you guys where I'm going to be staying. I can say this, I will be staying overseas for a couple of months, so I'm so freaking excited. I literally, all right, yeah. This video is not about that. So anyways, as you guys can see, I just had her give me these cute little travel size, just that way it's easier to carry in my carry-on and just use this on the plane. So they're super cute and super convenient. This is the best face bar you will ever use in your entire life. Do you hear me? Holy crap. Like, all right, let's get into it. So getting her out the bag now. I don't know why I was hiding it. Like, it's an unboxing, babes. Like, let's see it. So again, I had her make me a full-size one, and you can pick a couple of different designs. I just really like the snowflake one because even the smaller that it gets, I still feel like it's really easy and convenient to use. And then she made me a little baby one. So I have my travel size one again, so I can use it on the plane and when I'm going from different places. And then this is the home one where you feel me, like, yeah. So these are her organic turmeric shea butter bar, and I don't know why it's not focusing. I'm gonna be like all those other YouTubers. Okay, wait, that kind of does work. I see why they do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is her organic turmeric bar, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. The really nice thing is like a lot of her products incorporate natural raw herbs that also add just another level of benefits to it. So they act as a really nice moisturizer when you're using it, and it just really gets in there, and I freaking love that, and it lathers so nicely. Again, the ingredients are all very organic, very raw, very natural. Again, it's just organic honey, coconut powder, shea butter melt, and pour soap. That's solid. And then she also has organic ground turmeric, organic vitamin E, and here's where my pronunciation start messing up. Marula oils and herbs. I don't know. But as you guys can hear, again, it's the all clean, all organic, all raw products. And that's what we freaking love to see. I just always think that it's good to use organic products like this. And the fact that she makes them so super affordable, and you get to reap the benefits of glowy, dewy, healthy, bouncy, luxurious skin. Like, it's just absolutely amazing, and it makes you feel good doing something, and you're supporting a small business, someone who is really out here changing the skincare game. So mark my words, make sure you guys keep this video. I'm predicting in the next 5 years, she will be worldwide in stores, in your Target, in your Walmart. Like, she really knows what she's doing, and I'm so proud of her. So again, these are not me going off, but these again are her organic turmeric face bars, and I use them to wash my face in the morning and at night. Go ahead and add these to your cart right now. All right, so I know I showed you guys the organic full body moisturizer, and like I said, I mainly use that on my face because, baby, why do I need to use that on my body when I got these? Ugh, Like, oh my gosh. Okay, let me actually stop playing so you guys can see this. First of all, it's a sun and the moon. Why is that so cute? So I got 2 different scents. Oh my gosh. So this one is actually strawberry guava. And Indy, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is the strawberry guava. And this one is gingerbread scent. Yo, holy crap. Like these, yeah, let's get into it. Because these right here, what I love about these bars is literally you just done. And it leaves my skin, feeling so soft and so shiny and healthy and radiant. Like, I absolutely love these, and the scent lasts all day. Kid you not, I will go to the gym, go to the steam room, go home, get out the shower, and still smell like gingerbread. Like, it's absolutely amazing. I don't know what she puts in these things to make them last so long, but she know what she doing. She doing the right thing. Let me read off to you guys what the ingredients are for this. So it's literally, again, only organic coconut oil, organic beeswax, organic shea butter, organic vitamin E oil, and also fragrance oils. Again, like, what can I say? Like, what more do I need to say? Like, these are absolutely amazing. So throw that Bath and Body Works away and go ahead and get you one of these, because at this point, like, what does she not have? Baby, next up we have organic botanical candles. And yo, I absolutely love her candles. First of all, like, oh my gosh, yeah, dude. So the candle that I got is apples. Oh, is it still not focusing? That's freaking crazy. But this is apples and maple bourbon. And as you can see, again, we have the natural herbs in there. There's like some rosebuds, and it is just so gorgeous. The one thing I also love about her products, about her candles specifically, I will say they last a really long time. So I typically burn these like 2-3 times a week, and it'll last me like 2.5 months. Just make sure that you always trim your wick and you'll be cool. Not only that, but when I say she will smell up your whole room that she's in, like, it is just absolutely amazing, and it's so beautiful to look at. Even when you start burning it and the wax goes down, like, it's still very gorgeous. So yeah, get into it. It's so beautiful. Okay, last time I'm smelling it. Like, what? Oh my gosh. And she has so many, look, you see how I said last time smelling it? Like, I'm obsessed. The nice thing is she has a lot of different options as well. So if apples, maple, and bourbon is not your type of scent, not your cup of tea, you can always request to get a different scent. She has a bunch of options on her website. So be sure to check this out and add this to the cart. Again, throw that Bath and Body Works away. All right, so let's get into the next one. Last but not least, we have a little lip kit. Like, what more could you ask for, bro? Like, she literally is skincare, it's lip related, you need it, she got it. So let's get into what this entails. First things first is she has this really yummy, delicious, gushy gloss. Holy crap. And of course, everything is organic. She puts rosebuds in it, and it is just so pretty. The color of it is just, it looks so perfect. I have it on my lips literally right now. Like, I could not help myself. So as you can see, very glossy, got that pink little tint to it, but she's super cute. And I'm pretty sure this is strawberry guava flavored again, because she know that's my jam. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Then we have the lip scrub. And the lip scrub, why is it so perfect? Oh my goodness. So again, because you're using organic natural products. The coconut oil does separate a little bit, but all you got to do is mix that in, like, you're fine. I absolutely love using this. Once I get out the shower, I will literally just go crazy on my lips, and then you already know, hit them with that. And after that, I normally like going in with her chapstick, because what, you thought she wasn't? Yep, she got a chapstick too, and it is just absolutely amazing. This literally rolls on like butter. Like, a lot of her stuff feels like it melts into your lips, and I absolutely love that, because not only is it super hydrating, it's organic, and it just makes your lips look really nice and juicy, but I feel like it lasts a while, and I really love that. So then I just also wanted to point out, like, she has another care card, which is so cute. Again, just breaking down the lip gloss, the lip scrub, the lip butter, and she just basically explains like the care and the upkeep on it. Like, I think it's really amazing that she adds both these care cards in here. So yeah, that is literally all the products. Like, oh, I can't even hold them all, but guys, I am absolutely obsessed. I swear by her products, and they've definitely helped my skin over the years just to stay beautiful and glowy, and that is why, like, you never see me with makeup on. So again, SunJaysCare, go order right now, go tap in. I will link her website and everything below, and then I'll also again put in the description box all the products that I showed you guys today. So I really do hope you enjoy this video. If you guys want to see me do a new updated skincare routine video, please let me know in the comments, because I will absolutely do that. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here again, and I will see you soon. Deuces.